Timmy lived in the Upper East Side trailer park in his double wide. He sold drugs, but he never got high. Lived off the grid, did what he did to get by. He met a girl, she was ugly as sin. He'd get her loaded and they'd slap skins. He kissed her sister so she left him and fell in love with his best friend. He's alone again in the trailer park, digging up bones again and counting all love scars. He can't win for losing if he tried hard. Whiskey bent in a broken-hearted graveyard. Timmy is a born-again Christian living in some sort of prison, earning wings as if he on a mission, and he believes in divine intervention. A relapse, oh, he's on a bender again. He falls back on his old rotten habits. It won't be long until he's out of his head. Everybody knows Timmy needs a friend. He's alone again in the trailer park, digging up bones again and counting all love scars. He can't win but losing if he tried hard. Whiskey bent